Hello students, welcome to topperseducation.com. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the example problems, continuation to the previous video, in linear equations in one variable. Now let us see the fourth question, that is Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupee coins he has in all the sum of 277 rupees. How many coins of each denomination does he have? And here according to the question, that is Bansi has both 2 rupees and 5 rupees coins, and the sum of both the coins are 77 rupees, and we have to find how many 2 rupees coins are there and how many 5 rupee coins are there. Now let us assume 5 rupee coins be X. They have given 2 rupee coins is 3 times than the 5 rupee coins. Now let us assume 5 rupee coins as X and the 2 rupee coins as 3x, and the amount that Bansi has 5 rupee coins equals to 5 into x, and 2 rupee coins 2 into 3x, that equals to 6x, and total coins she has is sum of 2 coins, that is 5x plus 6x, that equals to 11x. Here they have already given that the sum of all the numbers is 77, that is both 2 rupee coins and 5 rupee coins is 77. Now here total coins he has is 11x, that equals to 77, and x equals to 77 by 11, that is x equals to 7. X is nothing but here 5 rupee coins. That is x equals to 7, and he has 2 rupee coins is equals to 3x, that is 3 into 7, that is 21. 2 rupee coins is 21, and 5 rupee coins is 7. And now if you check the total, the Bansi will have 77 rupees. And this is about the fourth problem. Now let us see the fifth question, that is the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11 is 363, and they ask you to find those multiples. Now here the 3 consecutive multiples is nothing but 3 numbers that is having side by side, and multiples of 11 is nothing but 11 multiples. First let us assume that x is the first multiple of 11, and the next consecutive multiple is x plus 11, and the third one is x plus 11 plus 11. That implies 3 consecutive multiples are x, x plus 11 and x plus 22 is the 3 consecutive multiples of 11. They have given that the sum of 3 consecutive multiples, that is these 3, their sum is 363, and x plus 11 plus x plus 22 equals to 363, and now x, that is 3x plus 11 plus 22 is 33, that equals to 363. Now here 3 to be taken the common, and 3 into x plus 11 equals to 363. These 3 to be taken to the RHS side. X plus 11 equals to 363 by 3. 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 ones. Now x plus 11 equals to 121, and these 11 to be taken to the RHS side. X equals to 121 minus 11, that is x equals to 110. And x equals to 110 is nothing but the first multiple of 11. Here 110 is the first multiple of 11 and second multiple is x plus 11, that is 110 plus 11, and the next multiple is x plus 22, that is 110 plus 22, that is 3 consecutive multiples are 110, 121, 132. These 3 are the consecutive multiples of 11. This is about the 5th question. Now let us see the 6th question, that is the difference between two whole numbers is 66. The ratio of two numbers is 2:5. And what are the two numbers? Here we should find the two numbers and their ratio is given, that is 2:5, and the difference between those two numbers is 66. Here we have two conditions. According to these two conditions, we have to find those two numbers. Now let us solve this. Here given that the two numbers are in the ratio 2:5, that is one number to be assumed that 2x and other number is 5x. Now they have given that the difference between these two numbers is 66, that is two numbers are 5x and 2x. Difference between two numbers, that is 5x minus 2x equals to 66. 5x minus 2x is nothing but 3x equal to 66, and x equals to these 3 to be taken to the RHS side, 22, and x equals to 22. Here x is nothing but one number equals to 2x, that is 2 into 22, 44, and other one is 5 into 22, 110, and both the difference is 110 minus 44 equals to 66, and this is about the 6th question. Now let us see last example problem, that is Devanshi has total 590 rupees as currency notes in the denomination of 50 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 rupees, and the ratio of number of 50 rupees notes and 20 rupee notes is 3:5. If she has total of 25 notes, how many notes of each denomination does she has? Now let us find the how much money she has. They have given that let the number of 50 rupee notes and 20 rupee notes that she have is 3x and 5x respectively. And now let us see that 50 rupee notes and 20 rupee notes. She has 3x and 5x. They have given that 3:5 ratio. And now she has a 10 rupee notes is nothing but 10 rupee notes equals to 25, and she has total 25 notes. According to that, we have to subtract the notes from these 25 notes. 10 rupee notes equals to 25 minus 3x plus 5x, because these two are the 50 rupee notes and 20 rupee notes. Now to find the 10 rupee notes, we have to subtract the 50 rupee notes and 20 rupee notes from total notes. That is 25 minus 8x, 10 rupee notes. Now let us see how much amount she has. That is 50 rupee notes equals to 3x into 50, that is 150x of 50 rupees she has. And now 20 rupee notes equals to 5x into 20, 5 into 20 100, and 100x of 20 rupee she have. And now 10 rupee notes equals to 10 rupee notes, how much? 25 minus 8x into 10, that equals to 25 into 10, 250 minus 8 into 10, 80x. And now let us see that they have given the total number of currency notes she has is 590 rupees. Now let us add all these notes, that is 150x plus 100x plus 250 minus 80x equals to 590 rupees. And this 150x plus 100x equals to 250x, and 250x minus 80x equals to 170x plus 250 equals to 590, 170x equals to this 250 to be taken to the RHS side, that is 590 minus 250, that equals to 340. And now 170 x equals to 340. Now let us take this 170 to the RHS. X equals to 340 by 170, that is 2, and x equals to 2. And here x equals to 2 is nothing but 50 rupee notes she has of 3 into 2 into 50, that is 3 into 2, that is 6. And now 20 rupee notes is 5x, that is x is nothing but 2, that is 5 into 2 equals to 10. And now she has 10 rupee notes, that is 25 minus 8x, that is 25 minus 8 into 2, that equals to 25 minus 16, that equals to 9. And she has the 10 rupee coins of 9 and 20 rupee notes is 10 and 50 rupee notes is 6. And this is about the example problems. In the next video, we will discuss exercise 2.2 problems. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.